Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn with Tanaya. In this section, we discuss about RTL, another topic from Computer Organization and Architecture. RTL stands for Register Transfer Language. So, first we know what is register. Maximum of you know about register from previous semester subject digital electronics or basic electronics. So, what is register? Register is a collection of individual flip-flop. A flip-flop is used to store single-bit digital data. Means, register have collection of flip-flop to store single-bit data or binary data. For storing number of bit data, computer uses number of flip-flop or register. And also, for small operation like sorting, move operation, computer need n bit of registers. A computer register are named by capital letter like R1, R2, R3, so on. Computer have some special register like MAR, MDR, PC or instruction register which we discussed previously. For our topic register transfer language, first we check why it need. A digital computer system exhibits an interconnected of digital module such as register, decoder, arithmetic element and control unit. These digital modules are interconnected with some common data and control path to form a complete digital system. Means there are number of digital modules are interconnected in digital computer like register, decoder, ALU and more. Each module is designed for specific purpose and all the modules work perfectly. Computer needs different modules for different operation like ALU used for arithmetic or logical operation, memory unit used for storing data and so on. But to solve a problem in digital system, only one module is not responsible. There are number of modules work together, then it executes successfully. So each module is interconnected and interdependent upon each other. These are connected with some control path which is controlled by control unit. Control unit gives instruction to any module and it responds as required. There also have some common data like any instruction for operation, any micro symbol, code, value and all. For example, a symbol of addition function which value are already trained to our digital computer understand that it is the addition symbol or user want to add something. Moreover, digital module are base defined by register. Means register are the base storage unit in digital modules because it is the nearest module of processor. So all the operations are executed faster than other modules operation. Register also stored the result data after execution. Next, what it say? The operation performed on the data stored in register are called micro operation. Again, what is micro operation? Micro operation are the detailed design of instruction or lower level instruction. It is used to implement a complex machine instruction. It perform only the basic operation like data store, display, move data and so on. Register contain only the micro operation which execute very fast. So let's start the topic RTL or Register Transfer Language. Register Transfer Language is a sequence of micro operation. Due to register have small amount of space, the micro operation are stored in symbolic form. RTL is a system for expressing the symbolic form among the register of digital system. It is one type of language that is used by compiler to understand the instruction. It also describes the internal organization of digital computer in a different manner. So how it works? In a computer system, data transfer takes place between processor register and memory, again between processor register and input-output register. Means the user given data transfer between processor register, memory unit and input-output system for execution. After execution, the result value also transfer between those units. This data can be represented by some standard notation like R0, R1, R2, so on. Again, the address of memory location are represented by the name of LOC, place, mem, and etc. The input-output register are represented by names such as data in, data out, and all. Next, what it says? The content of register or memory location is denoted by placing square bracket around the name of register or memory location. All the data contained by register and memory location denoted by placing square brackets. Means it is a symbolic notation to user and digital system to understand. Whatever the value written in square bracket is contained by register or memory unit. RTL helps compiler to understand about given data. Then the processor execute it as instructed. For example, the most popular example of RTL design is processor. It has very sophisticated finite state of machine instruction. Here a very large number of states are worked together and each module works perfectly.